Learn body parts in English. Fill in the blanks. When it's sunny, I wear sunglasses to protect my eyes. My aunt whispered a secret in my mother's ear. I have a cold, so I can't smell anything with my nose. This cake is delicious. I can taste the sweetness with my tongue. After eating, I always brush my teeth. My puppy loves it when I pet him with my hands. I fell while running and hurt my elbow. To catch the ball, I stretched out my arms. My grandfather has gray hair on his head. I put on my socks before wearing shoes on my feet. During the test, I thought hard and used my brain. When I run fast, I can feel my heart beating. My little sister sat on my lap and put her head on my chest. When I laugh too much, my stomach starts to hurt. My mom wears a watch on her left wrist. I sprained my ankle while playing soccer, and now I can't walk properly. My baby brother is learning to walk. He holds on to the table and stands on his feet. The skeleton in our science class has a long spine that supports the whole body. I waved goodbye to my friend using my hand. The little girl touched the kitten's soft fur with her fingers. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and share with your friends.